Good morning, and welcome back to part 11 of the adventure in Oregon. Part 11? Wow, Oregon is pretty big and has a lot of great stuff. So, we return to the story here in the shadow of Mount Hood, which is beautiful. Now, we just got some great stars, which, if you didn't catch, gotta check out episode 10. It's a work day here, and I'm gonna make some breakfast and get this day started. And then go adventure and see what's around here. Maybe by bike. All right, let's get it going.
Adventure if you can.
It's 6 o'clock on the East Coast. That means the workday is done. Let's go ride bikes. It's only the one, so I don't know. Ride my bike? There we go. Look, ride my bike in this beautiful, beautiful landscape. Let's go. So a quick pit stop mid-ride because I saw there was a Ranger truck up here by Clifford, so I wanted to come take a look. But it was just somebody cleaning these vault toilets, and I found out why they're so awesome. Apparently they were installed last week. They're a week old, so they're so beautiful. I'm gonna have to show them to you. Let me go show you. It's like crystal smooth, very shiny, even smells good. Wow. When I drove up here the other day, I was thinking, man, that was a steep hill. I rode that hill now. Whoo! And yes, that was a very steep hill. Okay, let's get down there quickly because it'll be very steep and go check on Clifford. Let's go. Clifford. That super long hill was very rewarding when it got to the top. It probably took like 6 minutes to get down when it took like, I don't know, a half an hour or more to get up there. Hey, it's part of the workout, right? All right, so back at camp, I'm going to relax a bit and then make some dinner and maybe even work on part 7 of this series so you guys can actually see it. Let's get to it. So relaxing didn't really happen. Instead, I just kind of processed part 7 of this story so that can get up there for you guys to check out. Whew, it's beautiful here. And I need some more fitness, so let's get some more of that done. Let's eat. Morning. Looks like a couple cars arrived overnight while I slept. Yeah, it's funny, I was talking about that earlier, how like at the rest area, just people arrive and you're like, oh, hey, look, new people, whether you see them or not. All right, it is Friday. It's a work day. And then after work, We're gonna go explore by Mount Hood a little bit more before we head either west to the coast or south to some more waterfalls. It really just depends on what that smoke does. And look, actual clouds. And I think it was raining earlier. All right, let's get this day started. Now that the workday is over, it's a fantastic Friday. Let's go chase some adventure. But first we gotta break down camp. So let's do that. So I just got up here to Timberland Lodge, and I saw this sign that is not an amazing sign, you know, for nomads. Because I was really hoping to get the stars over, you know, this very nice view of Mount Hood, but apparently not. So I'm gonna take this time to walk around a little bit up here, and at the same time with the dash cam try to get those clouds hopefully clearing and giving us a really nice view. We'll see what happens while we're walking around. All right, let's get to it. Are you gonna pose for me like I won the Yellowstone? No, you aren't. It just started to rain. I'm gonna hide behind this little building that I just found for a minute. Hopefully it'll let up. Otherwise, maybe 15 minutes, we'll hike back down and be on our way. If it's raining, that's not a pleasant hike. Let's see what happens. So just check the map, the radar. It's kind of stopped, but I think it's getting ready to start back up a lot heavier, so I guess we'll hike down. I'm glad I brought this sweatshirt. Look at that. While I was inside the lodge for a minute, the rain stopped, the clouds cleared. What do you say we give that another try? After we hike this, let's see if we can go find that lake. I bet you that's a nice reflection shot. I think that's enough uphill for today. Let's hike down and go find that lake, and hopefully maybe these clouds will clear before the sun goes down and, you know, all that good stuff. All right, let's hike down. Clifford. Let's go try to find that lake. So we found the lake. Pretty nice. I bet you it'd be better if it wasn't raining. All right, let's go find some dinner. Or wait, I have dinner. Let's go find laundry. Laundry and dinner. Let's go. Look at that, with a little planning, there's a sandwich ready already. The wildfires that were near Bend and all that smoke moved to the west. Now it's by Eugene, which is that way, which is why I'm driving this way. Man, these wildfires were sad though. So I've been drafting this same semi for probably like 70 miles now, and I have no intention of not doing that. I'm getting like great gas mileage just doing that. So hey, it works, right? Let's keep going. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have no idea what the word plan actually means. Since I just changed it again. We are no longer heading towards the laundromat. We are now headed towards the gym because a shower sounds nice. To the shower! You guys are butting heads, huh? You had an argument? What was the argument about? Oh, wow. Look at that. Well, that was a nice random thing to just see on the side of the road. I had to pull over and go capture that just because, why not? When do you see cows butting heads? You see rams butting heads. I've never seen cows butting heads. All right, let's keep going. That was unfortunate. All right, push-ups, shower, and let's get going. We got some miles to go. About 2+ hours to the campsite I picked out. And it's already like 8:30ish, so we're gonna get there around 11 and hopefully find it, but let's get going. All right, camp has been found. About 15 minutes from the waterfall tomorrow. So fantastic. I'm gonna get set up and try to get these stars overhead. Let's get to it. Good morning. I think those stars came out pretty good last night with the trees. That was pretty peekaboo, I think. We have a very busy day today. Let's get to it. Let's eat. This is Luna. She's trying to eat my trash. Hello, Luna. Hello. Hey. Hi. Hi, Luna. So as I usually do, run into just fantastic people all the time. I just met these two folks. What's your name?
Ethan? And this
Ethan?
is Julia.
Hi, Julia. So I've been asking people this same question all over the place. What's better, city or country living?
Country living.
Yeah.
Okay, why?
Just to be able to, as my grandpa used to say, be able to piss off your back deck without anyone seeing you, kind of thing. Be able to,
All right.
be able to just kind of live in the land and live amongst the environment. I think that's really fulfilling for me.
All right, awesome. And you?
I feel like it's just so much more friendly out here and just open. Everybody, it's easier for some reason. Like there's less people, but it's easier to make a friend
Oh yeah.
than it is in the city.
You know, I feel like that's because I feel like in the cities, people just think there's just so many options. I don't have to be nice to people.
Yes.
And like now you're like,
Yeah.
oh, there's just, you know,
Right.
hey, you're a human being out here,
Yeah.
and we're just in this together, which I
Right.
wish people in the city also thought.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Just the
Because
human
we're out here to
experience.
experience it.
Right,
rather than
exactly.
To live.
Well, great. Thanks very much.
You're very welcome.
Bye, Luna. I really do meet some great people out here on the adventure. So this is the start of Waterfall Row. There'll be 4 waterfalls we're gonna go check out real close together. So let's get to it. This one is called Clear Waterfalls. So Waterfall Row is State Route 138. And that's Clear Waterfall. The shortest hike on this one is 0.1 on parking. So seriously, you park, you walk a minute with that, and you have this fantastic view. All right, let's move on to the next one. That one is Watson Falls. That one was even closer than the last one. That's Clifford right there. Let's go find the next one. Gets warm quick when you're going uphill. Yes, I climbed down that to get down. Alright, so apparently this is Watson Falls, and the one before this was White Horse Falls. Watson Falls is very big, and probably about 0.6 miles from Clifford. Alright, let's hike back and go find the last one. Clifford. All right, that's 3 down on a waterfall row. Let's go find that last one. Well, that rainbow is a nice way to start this trail. Falls. Number 4 waterfall I'm going to show you on Waterfall Road. There's a couple more, but these are just some nice quick ones, so I wanted to share those with you and encourage you to come north. Alright, let's climb back up and see what's next. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! I hate to scare this guy who just jumped in this really cold water. What's your name?
Frenchie.
Frenchie, and yours? Lindsay. So I keep asking everybody the same question. What's better, country or city living?
I'd say country.
Okay, but why?
Less people.
Less people? Okay.
I mean, I'll go make my money in the city and go live out in the country.
I like both. But,
You like both?
I like people, but
You like people?
I like outside though. Period. Yeah. So pretty.
Alright. Well, thanks very much.
Yep.
Alright, here comes Brave Soul number 2. Meeting all kinds of great people today. Alright, let's climb up this tall thing. Well, alright, I think that was pretty worth that climb. Good times, all these beautiful waterfalls. All right, let's get back to Clifford. Clifford. I saved that falls for last because it's a really good one, especially since you can climb down and get right next to it. But because, you know, I take advice from friends and pack a sandwich when the camper is up, it's lunchtime. All right, get some lunch going on, and then take us to our final place. Let's go. No trip to Oregon can be complete without a visit to Crater National Park. Let's go look at the beautiful lake.
Thank you.
Great. Have fun.
Thank you. This is so rad.
Attaboy!
What do you think? Should we give it a try? Woo! You should always, always face your fears. That was very scary, but I did it. And you can too. Well, it looks like our adventure has come to an end. I'm gonna go ahead and end our journey here with the best backdrop there is, Crater Lake. If you've never been to Crater Lake, I highly, highly recommend it. And definitely jump in, because the water's not that cold and it just makes you feel brave. I feel brave. So during this journey, we saw many beautiful things. Leslie Gulch was fantastic. So many waterfalls, lots of bike rides, hikes, lakes, just great things and stars. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed taking this for you. So until the next time I see you all, hope you have a great day and adventure if you can.
Yeah,
Bye.
you really like.
Oh, you're gonna stop now? Well, don't stop. I'm filming you. Keep on heads. There you go.